This thing, when we're done, gonna rip. Hey everyone, Ed here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson, here with my good friend Trevor, one of our master techs. I don't know what time it is where you are, but here today it's 5:15, as in the Screamin Eagle 515 cam that comes with a stage 4 kit with the Milwaukee-Eight engines. Our good friend Mark has got this beautiful anniversary bike here. Last summer we did a stage 2 torque cam, which is a 447. Now we're upgrading to a stage 4, going to bring this from 107 to 114. That gets the 515 cam along with new heads and a whole bunch of other goodies. This thing, when we're done, gonna rip. So Trevor, tell us a little about what you're doing.
Yesterday we tore down, we installed the new Screamin Eagle bearing, inner cam bearing, and now we're gonna be installing the cam today and start building back up.
So along with that, this bike's also getting one new goodie that Harley just came out with. It's the Screamin Eagle Extreme Heavy Breather. This air cleaner will suck in enough air to power 150 plus horse engines. I'm not gonna get 150 out of this, but the wave of the future, we are heading towards that. So Mark's gonna be one of the first with this air cleaner on. Can't wait to see what this stage 4 puts out for numbers. Stay tuned, we're gonna see what Trevor can do to this baby.